My name is Akram, and then you put, and I forgot to get the playdoh. Here's it.
Then what color?
The mix, which is the Play-Doh mix one, which I got a lot of Play-Doh, so you mix it, and then it looks pretty, and then you put it in the ice cream maker. Hold on, the Play-Doh's in there. What's this? And so, here's the mixed Play-Doh, which I just used today. And here's one. And then let me take the scissors out. And then you put it in here. And here's the cone. You hold it up. And then you just let it down. And then you press it down. And so it's very easy. And the other one, the sprinkle, it's very simple. And then
Oh,
and
I
then
gotta go, Kuya. Say bye for now.
no,
Kiss Leah.
no,
Leah
it's
needs
almost
me.
done. And
I'm
then
coming.
and then you put the plate on here, and then you put the cup in here, and then you press it down, and then
Hold on, Leah.
you put in there, and then you put
Okay, enough now.
the
Show them
Play-Doh
now.
back, and
Tell
then
them you'll be back.
I'll be back and I'll put,
Show your face.
and then let me put
man.
this.
All